Nail pullers are essential tools for anyone who needs to remove nails from wood, metal, or other materials. There are many products available to choose nail pullers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best nail pullers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bates Nail Puller. This Bates nail puller and plier tool is made from high-carbon steel for long-lasting performance. The soft plastic-coated grip provides comfort when in use. The dual-use and nipper pliers can be used to cut wires or nails, or simply pull them out. With its 7-inch size, it is perfect for carpenters, construction, handymen, and installing new floors. Number 2. Bates Nail Puller Pliers 11-inch Nail Remover Tool. The Bates Nail Puller is an essential tool for anyone dealing with nails. Measuring 11 inches, it is crafted from high-carbon steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. You will appreciate the soft plastic-coated grip, which provides comfort during use, allowing you to work for extended periods without discomfort. This tool is designed to easily extract nails, even those with damaged heads, making it ideal for carpenters and handymen alike. Whether you're installing new flooring or removing old staples, this versatile tool offers the convenience you need to get the job done efficiently. Number 3. Estwing Pro Claw Nail Puller. The Estwing Pro Claw Nail Puller is a high-quality nail pulling and prying tool designed to make your DIY projects easier. With its high-leverage design, this nail puller produces maximum torque when pulling nails and prying boards, outperforming standard cat's paw tools. It also features a precision-thin claw, allowing you to reach those hard-to-reach places with ease. The tool is made from a single piece of solid steel, making it extremely durable and long-lasting. Additionally, the Estwing Pro Claw Nail Puller is proudly crafted in the USA using the finest American steel. Say goodbye to struggling with headless nails, as this nail puller is designed to remove them with minimal wood damage. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this nail puller is a must-have tool for your toolbox. Number 4. WorkPro 2-Piece Nail Puller Set. The WorkPro Nail Puller Set includes a 12-inch pry bar and an 8-inch mini crowbar, designed to tackle a variety of tasks. The polished pry bar ends can easily fit into tight spaces, making it perfect for removing nails, trim, and moldings. Made from high-quality carbon steel, these tools offer impressive durability, with the 12-inch version boasting a bending strength of over 1,200 inch-pounds. Additionally, the rust-proof coating ensures that your tools stay in great condition for longer. The L-shaped design enhances torque, giving you the leverage needed for efficient prying and pulling. Number 5. WorkPro 13-inch Nail Puller. The WorkPro Nail Puller is a versatile tool designed for easy nail removal. Its high-leverage design, featuring a special rocking head and a 13-inch long I-beam handle, provides you with a tremendous advantage in removing nails. The pointed penetration end allows for precise digging into wood, minimizing damage to the material. The unique rocking head pulls nails out gradually with each rocking motion, making it effortless to remove long nails, headless nails, and even gun nails. Made of high-quality steel, this pry bar is durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. It is the top choice for carpenters, roofers, homeowners, and DIYers for demolition work, home remodeling, and woodworking projects. With the WorkPro Nail Puller, you can easily and efficiently tackle all your construction needs.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.